Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Emotional Support Dog Certificate is probably one of the most sought-after documents for individuals seeking emotional support and comfort from their canine companions, offering a sense of validation and legitimacy to their bond. But navigating the process of obtaining one can be confusing and overwhelming, filled with misinformation and scams. This video will guide you through the process of obtaining a legitimate certificate, ensuring you understand the requirements, avoid common pitfalls, and ultimately, strengthen the human-animal bond. Number 5. For Paws Custom Emotional Support Dog ID. This ID card is designed to provide your emotional support dog with access to housing and public areas. It features a professional design and high-quality printing for maximum impact. It's printed at 600 dpi on durable PVC, the same size as a credit card. Your dog's photo, information, and a unique QR code are clearly displayed. This ID helps ensure your dog's access to housing, even with no pet policies, as per the Fair Housing Act. Use it with your doctor's letter for added support. The QR code links to your dog's registration on the U.S. Service Dogs Registry. You'll also receive a complimentary digital ID via email. Please provide a clear, full-color, uncropped photo of your dog. Unsatisfactory photos may delay your order. Carefully review your information before submitting. We print exactly what you provide and are not responsible for errors. The card includes a security seal to prevent counterfeiting and comes with a durable holder to attach to your dog's leash or harness. What we like? It boasts a superior print quality and a unique QR code for easy verification. If you need a durable, verifiable ID to ensure your pet's access everywhere, this is the perfect choice. This is especially useful for those who frequently travel with their emotional support animal and need a reliable way to prove their pet status. What people say. Exactly as described. Very professional, and the QR code works and is sharp. Fast shipping as well, thick, durable, strong. The Emotional Support Dog ID is so professional looking and just so nice to look at. My dog's picture came out really sharp and clear too. I also got the digital copy of the ID which you sent in a text. So nice to have it at hand in case I need it. The card itself is sturdy and very well made. Choosing the option of added hologram really makes it look official. Number 4. USSDR ESA Certificate Set. Receive 2 personalized certificates, one for your records and a spare. They're the perfect size for travel, slightly larger than a passport. These certificates are printed on high-quality, 25% cotton paper with a watermarked border and embossed gold seal. They're built to last. Your certificates come in a padded, navy blue leather folder for safekeeping. A handy PVC information card is also included for your dog's details. It serves as documentation of your ESA status, ideally used with your doctor's prescription. The registration is verifiable online, for peace of mind. Your certificates are registered with the U.S. Service Dogs Registry. You'll receive an email confirmation with your registration details. This kit provides everything you need to document your ESA status, offering both style and security for your important paperwork. What we like? This product stands out with its professional presentation and a spare certificate. If you're looking for a premium, official-looking certificate set for peace of mind, this is it. The elegant leather folder adds a touch of class and keeps your documents safe, ideal for those who value a professional and organized approach to their ESA documentation. What people say. I had to have a certificate for my apartment complex because my dog is an ESA pet. This certificate is printed clearly and comes with a cover. Also a plastic ID card. Did the job. Has seal from the Housing Development and also Service Dog Registry, was accepted by my landlord immediately and also made me not require a pet deposit. Very good. If you are a renter with these, you don't have to pay a deposit for your pet. Number 3. USSD Official ESA Certificate. This certificate is personalized with your and your pet's information, registration date, and a unique number. It's the perfect way to document your pet's status. It's printed on high-quality, 25% cotton paper for durability and a professional look. The embossed gold seal adds a touch of elegance. The included navy blue leather folder keeps your certificate safe and looking its best. It's also stamped with the U.S. Service Dogs Registry logo. A complimentary PVC card is provided for you to record your pet's vital information. This card is the perfect size to keep in your wallet. Your certificate includes lifetime registration with the U.S. Service Dogs Registry. You can verify its authenticity online at any time. You will receive an email confirmation of your registration to the address you provide. This serves as proof of your pet's registered status. What we like. It offers a large, professional certificate in a protective leather folder. If you prefer a single, large certificate for easy readability in a professional presentation, this is your best bet. The leather folder ensures your certificate remains pristine, perfect for those who want a simple yet elegant solution. What people say. Exactly as described, leather fold is a very nice touch as well as traveling ID card QR code that allows anyone to scan, enter registration hashtag and handler and pet will show. This certificate looks so legit, I am not embarrassed to pull it out to show our landlord if needed. On top of the certificate even provides a plastic cover to protect the certificate. It also comes with an ID card for you to fill out with a pen to carry the card with you, but I ordered an actual ID card with photos. Love the quality of this certificate along with the leather pad. The registration in the padded jacket looks so professional. It's well done and only takes minutes to complete the online registration. The customization was nicely printed, easy to read. Number 2. ESA Certificate Kit. This kit provides everything you need for your emotional support animal. It's designed for convenience and peace of mind. Personalize it with your and your animal's names and registration date. It also includes lifetime registration in our database. The certificate features an embossed seal and comes with a high-quality protective folder. It's made to last. A complimentary duplicate certificate is included for your records. This ensures you always have a backup. 5 convenient information cards are also included. Use them to keep track of important details. Your ESA's registration is valid for a lifetime, providing ongoing peace of mind. It's a valuable asset. What we like. It includes a duplicate certificate and several information cards. If you value having backups and extra information cards for various situations, this is the one for you. The embossed seal adds a touch of formality, ideal for those who want comprehensive documentation and preparedness. What people say. Better than expected. Great quality and received it very fast. ID cards included are a great extra. Great looking design, good size, and durable. Very professional, high quality certificate. They enclosed a duplicate for my landlord, and one for my files. The certificate is from my ESA cat. Number 1. ESA Dog ID Card. This card registers your emotional support dog with the American Pet Registry. Simply use the QR code for verification. It helps avoid conflicts with those unfamiliar with ESA regulations. This allows your dog access to housing, even with no pet policies, as per the Fair Housing Act. Verification is easy. Anyone can verify your dog's status by tapping their phone to the card or scanning the QR code. We use 600 by 1200 DPI printing, the highest quality in the industry, ensuring a professional and durable card. Your card is made in California, supporting local businesses and ensuring high standards. Carry this card with confidence, knowing it provides clear verification and helps ensure your ESA is welcome. What we like. It offers advanced verification technology and high-quality printing. If you want the most convenient and verifiable way to prove your dog's status, this is the top choice. The NFC and QR code features make verification quick and easy, perfect for those who prioritize ease of access and quick verification. What people say. These IDs are the same size as a driver's license. Clear printing, personalized with pet picture. The quality was excellent, it's easy to see and read, and it fits perfectly in her small bag. My pet's picture and info easy to identify. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.